Hi everyone, this is Nolan with BMW of Lafayette, and today I'd like to take a couple minutes to discuss BMW's included maintenance plan. Why don't you join me inside a vehicle and we'll talk a little more in detail. When your BMW is due for a service, this message will appear. Now when you see this, there's no need to worry. BMW's included maintenance plan, coupled with our white glove service, means that maintaining your BMW is both convenient and free of charge. Every new BMW comes with a 3-year or 36,000 mile maintenance plan. Your car will require a service either once per year or every 10,000 miles, whichever comes first. So whether you're a high mileage driver or just take your BMW out on the weekends, the maintenance plan provides each owner with an equal value. Let's see exactly what your BMW's maintenance plan covers. For the first 3 years or 36,000 miles, your engine oil changes, cabin microfilters, vehicle checks, engine air filters, and spark plugs are all covered. Now your maintenance plan can also be extended up to 125,000 miles for maximum peace of mind. The maintenance plan can also be upgraded so that it covers replacement of your brakes and wipers. Now, when your car's due for a service, one of our friendly service advisors will greet you and assess your car's maintenance needs. The BMW maintenance plan is a national program, so it will be honored at any BMW dealership nationwide. Of course, we would love to serve you at BMW of Lafayette.